So let me fix my mistakes a bit. And now we will get into our tutorial. Repeating versus terminating decimals, explained by me. If the denominator's factors are only 5 and 2, then any whole number, the denominator's root factors are only 5 and 2, then any whole number numerator fraction will be terminating. If the denominator has a root factor other than 5 or 2, then the decimal will repeat unless the fraction can be simplified to only have 5 or 2 as its root factors. So, root factors are when you take a number, break it into two factors, and break each of those factors down further. So the 20's factor tree goes 20, 10, and 2, and then the 10 branches off into 5 and 2, while the 2 is the end of its line. So anything divided by 20, like 7 out of 20, will be terminating. Next, repeating. 1 out of 3, for example, would be a great example of a repeating decimal because it just goes on and on. Infinite freeze to the right of your screen, children. Next, if the fraction can be simplified to only have 5 or 2. So let's say I have the jolly old fraction 9 over 30. Well, 9 over 30 can be simplified because both 9 and 30 are divisible by 3, getting to 3 over. Now we have 3 over 30. I mean 3 over 10. Which, as you know, is all 0.30, which is terminating. And that's how you tell if a fraction will terminate or repeat if converted to a decimal, and that's the difference between terminating or repeating decimals. Hope you enjoyed. And again, subscribe if the video was helpful in either teaching or learning, and share the channel with your students or friends.